Namaste, welcome to Namaste Pun. In today's episode, I'll be sharing with you on how you can invite and refer your friends onto the World app for Android mobile phone users. So let's get started. Before you are able to invite your friends and have a referral code, take note that you will need to have a verified World ID account. So how do you get a verified World ID account? You will simply need to go to an app near you and have your account activated and verified. Once you have activated and verified, you will have a verified World ID. That's where you will be able to get your referral code. So if you're not done so, go and do it. And for those that have done so, let's get started. So first of all, open your World ID app. Second, go to the Grants tab. In the Grants tab, you will see Invite Friends button. Click on the Invite Friends button. And then you will reach the Contact Invite Friends page, which also would have a contact list at the bottom. So for Android users, take note that you will need to click on the you will need to enable the contact list and click on the invite button over here that you see. Click on the invite button so that your invitation can be registered on the app. Okay, and once it has been registered, your friends will be able to use the link that you have sent out to them, whether via the top, whereby you send them through WhatsApp, or whether you click on the invite and send them through SMS. The referral code would then be registered. Another way that you can register your friends without having to enable the contact list is for your friend, before they verify their account, ask them to go to the grants page. Okay, and the grants page, go to settings, and in settings at the bottom there will be referral code for those that have not yet activated their account. The referral code, they can click on it and they can manually input your referral code in the box before they verify their World app. So if they do so before they verify, your referral will be registered. I hope that this is helpful. Thank you.